In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download or install Roblox on Windows PC or laptop. The first way, go to your favorite browser, insert type Roblox download, hit enter. The first click is Roblox official download link. Click on download Roblox. Here you will find a button download Windows app. Click on download Windows app. And download is started, and within very short time Roblox player installer will be downloaded. Click on show in folder and then right click on the Roblox installer and then click on run as administrator to install it, and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. The app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app, and you have to click on change app recommendation settings. Here Microsoft Store only recommended. Click on the drop down and select anywhere. Close settings. Again try to launch Roblox installer. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Now Roblox is installing. Installation finish. If you are newer, you need to create an account or already have the account, just sign in. Enjoy your Roblox. I'm showing you another way to download and install Roblox. Go to search. In search type Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store. You will find here Roblox Windows. Click on Get button and Roblox will start downloading and installing on your computer. That's the easiest way to download and install Roblox on Windows PC or laptop.